Lead by
Ladies and gentlemen, friends in the industry, let's all welcome Miss Marie Antoinette Miranda.
just dance along with us. See how healthy you are. Ready for this last talk?
Yes!
Requirement? Yes? Okay. 1, 2. Eh, mga healthy pa. Being how to have that mental health. Don't forget, right? Later, isa-isa rin natin yun. Well, sige ka, kamusta ka na? Go, tanongin nyo ulit. Sa tanong, ang bilis lang pala. Multiplication. Do you wait for a milestone? Lead by?
Example.
I'm not here to leave a legacy na puro trabaho lang. I want to leave a legacy and be remembered well. Simply more of what and when. Yeah. Oh, mistake, you blame them. When you set direction, you tell. Mukha mo pagkakatiwalaan.
It goes electric, baby, when I turn it on.
Are you ready? Very good? Okay. 11:59. Diba? Right. Romeo, paano mo rin tell me? Sige lang, point lang. Can you just point to a person who you wanted to understand? Diba? Maganda yan. Wala niya ganun. Sure you see me. Talaga whole day to, sir. Next time. Bigla kang kinasal, change yun. Show me how stressed you are. Tayo kayo at makikisayo kayo sa akin ng TikTok. Wow, ginagaya talaga. Ayan ka na, yellow. Ayan. Thank you, mo na lang siya. Okay? Come on, tell them thank you. Go around. Let's go. Even if they wala na ba, puntahan. Walk far. Walk far. Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you for each other. Alam mo na maraming laman-laman yan. Hallelujah. Okay, ready? You can count on me. And I can count on you. No more creatures. And intentional breathing. But please. But no one was asking me. So I tried to be a strong woman. I never do it alone without the Lord. Okay? This is my question to you. What lasting impact? Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me. It's always a privilege.
Dylan was my...
Miss Tony.
She's very, very amazing for today. She has imparted to our members valuable lessons.
As of internal auditors. So that was actually one of the most engaging sessions that I have witnessed so
us, and I like about how simple the how are you, but it really made an impact for me.